we'll be starting in we'll start it in couple of minutes. Steve, I think you were just talking about the content and the feedback. I keep on asking Nick for his feedback continuously. If we need any new topic or anything, does it understand some practical scenario? So I just want to understand one thing. Nick is not going to do any development role, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Well, he'll do some, there'll be some Power BI development, some Power Center stuff, but for ServiceNow, probably not going to be doing a lot of development in that.
Okay, right. So that actually we were discussing the content, and the content which is pure development part, we have skipped that.
Yeah, I mean, if you have time, it's good to kind of touch on it, but he's not going to have to be he's not going to have to do any crazy forms development or anything like that.
Yeah, no, we have touched it as a conceptual level, but I didn't ask him to do the hands-on because that required a lot of development knowledge and all this thing.
Yep, nope, that's fine.
Yeah. Anyway, all right. So Nick, can we start?
Yeah, I'm ready whenever.
All right. So yesterday we left at the point of service level agreement SLA and how to configure the SLA. We discuss various SLA components, like what will be the start condition, what is the pause condition, what is stop condition, and at every stage, how do you want to get the people notified based on the SLA. And we also discuss one scenario, like how to configure the SLA for the service request for iPod. So what we'll do now, we'll configure the SLA for another scenario. The scenario will be when the critical priority incident get created. That incident should be resolved in 4 hours. That is our normal scenario, but for lab purpose, we'll keep that time as a 5 minutes. So we'll configure the SLA, and then we create one incident request with critical priority. And then we'll see whether that particular SLA is attached to the ticket or not. And after 5 minutes, if we don't take the action, whether the SLA is showing as missed SLA or not. So that is the verification part. So let me take you through the step-by-step process, how to configure this SLA. And then maybe you can try the same thing on your lab environment. And this lab environment which you have created for this training purpose, maybe you can keep it as it is. If you keep on using it on daily basis, it will be live. If you don't use it for more than 10 days, then it will get discarded by the ServiceNow. But if this is really a good platform where you can play around and you can try out something which means even when you start working in your environment, and if you want to try something, first you can come here, try that options, and then you can do it in your dev or other environment. So I will suggest you to keep this environment up and running. There is no expiry date, so you can use it for months and years if you want, till the ServiceNow change the policy. All right, so let's go to the my developer instance. Okay, see, and we'll build a SLA there for the incident. Let the SLA gets my instance get open. Service level management, SLA definition. So we'll create the new SLA. Are you able to see the lab now?
I can only see the PowerPoint right now.
Okay, I will share that. I will share the screen so that you will see all the windows open on my screen. Okay, how do you reach here? Service level, SLA, SLA definition. This is the path and a new SLA definition. So you can give some meaningful name for SLA which you are creating. So I'll give the name like critical priority SLA. Now I want this should run on the incident table because I want to attach this SLA to the incident ticket. Okay. I also want to specify what will be the SLA duration time. So since we are using it for testing purpose, we'll use that hours as 5 minutes. So 0 hour, 0 minute, 0 seconds. So I'll define it as a 5 minute SLA. So once the ticket get created, we'll wait for 5 minutes and then we'll see how it's doing. The schedule is weekdays. So schedule we discussed yesterday. You can define the schedule 24/7, 8/5. Okay, so depending on what type of working environment you have, like you are supporting your customer 24/7, 8/5, like that. So you can define what is the schedule you are following. So here we are following 8/5 weekdays, excluding holidays. So if there is any holiday defined in the system, that holiday is not considered for the SLA calculations. So we have defined this schedule is 8/8 to 8/5 weekdays, excluding holidays. The SLA time duration is 5 minutes. Okay. So we'll be first defining the start condition. So under start condition, we should define when the SLA should get attached. Okay. So I will add it here. First is active, is true. It takes, and we also want the priority of a ticket. Priority is okay. Priority is critical. Okay. So this is the starting condition. Then we'll go and define the condition for stop. So when the system will stop the SLA condition, so I'll directly go to the stop condition. Here I will define again status, right? So state is resolved, correct? So when the ticket get resolved, the SLA will stop. And then in between the time when the SLA get attached to the ticket till the condition of stop met, the system will calculate the time between these two events. It will exclude all other stuff, like if there is a weekend in between. As I said in yesterday, if we create the ticket on Friday 4 p.m. and if your working hour is between 9 to 5, so SLA calculation will consider only 1 hour in the on Friday. Okay, then it will pause the clock, and then the clock will start again on Monday. Okay, so remaining 3 hours will be counted on Monday, not on the weekend, because your schedule is 8 to 5 weekdays, Monday to Friday. If there is any holiday on Monday, it will again skip that Monday and it will start count it on Tuesday morning, like that. But we are not talking that about now. We are just meeting start condition. We are just specifying the start condition when the SLA get attached. We are also defining the stop condition. So stop condition is when the incident status get resolved, the SLA will stop, and then system will calculate the SLA and saying, and then it will sorry, it will declare whether the SLA is met or SLA is missed. Okay, let's create this record. uh, okay, we'll change either you can say resolved or you can say closed, whatever. Let's keep it resolved. we want to put it here itself and just submit. Okay. Now how to test it? Let's go to the incident, create new. Okay, caller, it's normal SLA will create. System administrator, category, inquiry, help, or whatever you want. Say we are not given any condition, so category can be anything. Okay. Okay, it is test SLA incident. Okay, test SLA incident. Now here, if you see the impact, urgency, and priority, these are the three fields. But as per the ITL guideline, the user can mention only what is the impact of the incident and what is the urgency of the incident. The priority is calculated by the system internally. Okay, so in order to, I want impact is high and priority urgency is also high, then priority is calculated by the system as critical, right? That is what our requirement is. So that is the reason I will say critical priority ticket and incident is priority is critical. Now, if you remember, if you go back to our incident, SLA definition, we have missed one condition there to attach the SLA to the ticket. What was that condition? Can you guess, or can you think about it? Nick?
You said we missed a condition on the SLA agreement.
Which condition we miss?
Did we miss one of the stop conditions
What is that?
that after a certain amount of time it was supposed to stop?
Okay, we'll visit it again. We'll open that. We have that. Where is our SLA? Test name is okay. Here only we have the test SLA, right? We just created now. Network critical priority SLA. This is our SLA which we have created. And what is our start condition?
Our start condition is that the ticket's active and has critical priority.
One more condition is to be there. What is that? State
is
open, new, right?
New, yeah.
Because when the ticket get created, at that time the status is new, and the moment SLA gets created, the moment incident gets created, the state is new and it should stop at that time. It should attach that SLA when the incident get created with the status equal to new, correct? So this condition we have to add. Means that time we have forget to add this condition, state is new. Okay, let's go back and create the incident now. Incident, create new. Okay, color is system administrator, SLA testing incident. Okay, I will define the impact. I will define the urgency. The priority will be calculated by the system automatically. Okay, here I can choose any group for assignment, that doesn't matter. Okay, we have created all the required field. Now when I create the SLA, when I create this incident, which is matching the conditions which we have defined in SLA. The status is new, the priority is critical, and active is true. Let me save this. Sorry. Oh, what happened? Fine. Okay, high critical subcategory. Let's put some category, any inquiry or help. Fine. Let me save it. What is the ID? 10009. So let's save it. Okay. So we have created this SLA at, what is the time now? Around 8:44 in as per your EST time. Okay. Our which SLA are attached to this ticket? Can you see the first SLA, first record, critical priority SLA?
Yep, I can see it.
Yeah. So the moment you save this ticket, it met the conditions, match the conditions, and this was SLA, and along with this also. So I don't want to. We have not created it, so let's don't go into it. But it is saying SLA definition is critical priority SLA is attached to it, and it is saying for 5 minutes, and it is also showing you at what time the start time. Start time is this 5:43 as per the clock. In it is showing my clock here, and stop time is not yet there. So we have to wait for 4-5 minutes, and then we'll see what is the SLA conditions there. But correct SLA is attached. You can see that, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
Preview critical priority SLA. You can also preview which SLA is calculated here. See, incident is there, in progress. Start time is this, breach time. Okay, it is also showing at what time the SLA will be breached. So if 5:43, 3:11, 5:43. Why it is going 8:5, 3:5 and 8:5? I don't know why it is. Okay. Open the record. Elapsed time 4 seconds. Actually elapse percentage is this. A lot of information, you can see it here. Actual time left, uh, business time left 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes it should get a breach. Okay, clear what how this SLA is created and how it get attached?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Can you try these steps in your environment?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, so please do that.
I'm just not getting a new option when I try to set the state to new for the SLA.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why.
You're not getting new.
No, so when I go into my SLA and I try to set the start condition,
Okay.
I have
I'll I will stop sharing. You can share me your screen.
yeah. You see it?
Can you scroll up a little bit? Right. Yeah. No, actually we are
Oh,
creating the, it is on incident, right?
so
That is the reason.
there we go.
Correct. Now we'll get.
There we go. Okay, yeah. I was looking at the lab instructions I had. Forgot it was different.
Okay, just a minute, just a minute. You have your change, the schedule can be, can you search on the schedule? So yeah, remove that. Duration should be 0 days, 0 hours, and no, 0 hours and 5 minutes. 5. Okay. And hold on. Schedule also need to be changed because I think schedule is 8 to 5. So if it is already 5 o'clock, then it will not take immediately after 5 minutes. So just go there, click on that magnifying glass icon. Let's see what are the schedules. Scroll down. Is there any 24/7 something?
This one is 24/7.
Yeah, take that. Yes, take that. Because we want to calculate continuously. We don't want to wait at 5 o'clock or something. Okay, go to the stop condition. Stop condition. State is resolved. That's fine. Update. Okay, now go and create one incident with the critical priority. Create new. Fine. Yeah. 004. Fine. Your priority is critical. Category hardware. Okay.
There we go.
Task
Now I have it
SLA.
there.
Okay. This is the name.
Yeah, it's called request fulfillment. Yep.
Okay. Fine. But why
So
this
that's
showing
working.
46 minutes business time left 46 minutes? I think this is one more SLA attached to that. There is some SLA already defined. Okay,
Yeah.
that is the reason it is also get started, but your SLA is also getting started. Can you see that?
Yeah,
It
I
is
can see it
also
only has 4 minutes left.
progressing
Yep.
it. Yeah, it is progressing here. So if you want, you can click on that request fulfillment link here. Can you, is it the link or no?
No.
Oh, okay. Click on that information icon. Here, correct. Information icon. Scroll down. So see, this is telling you all this thing about the SLA attached to this ticket. Schedule 24/7. Actual elapsed time is 35 seconds. Can you see all the details are there?
Yep.
Business elapsed time 35 seconds. Actual time left 4 minutes. Can you see this? Now, if you
Yeah,
don't
I can see
resolve
it.
it in next 5 minutes, let's see what is there. So let's wait for a couple of 2-3 minutes and then let it get lapse. Now 3 minutes left.
And see the percentage bar changing too.
Yeah, it must be progressing. Now, when it get lapse, it will be turn into red, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Is there a way to see the timer counting down, or do I just have to keep updating it every time, refreshing it?
Now here it is giving you the real time stuff, I think. See, it become being red.